we know yoga is a general thing, but we'll try to understand what we know yoga by from the perspective of Bhagavad Gita. Okay. So, and we will also try to know the relevance of yoga in today. So, yoga, as you are saying that it is asana, it is exercise, correct? No? But yoga is much more than physical exercise. Okay. Yoga is self-control. Yoga is mind control. Yoga brings peace. Yoga brings discipline to all of us. See, yoga is meant for both. See, for body also as well as mind also. So when we say yoga is meant for exercise, it is definitely meant to make our body fit. When we say yoga is meant for mental, that means it brings lot of calmness to our mind. So yoga is exercise is very popular nowadays. As you know, because of yoga originated from India, originated from Bhagavad Gita. And now yoga is followed all over the world. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it very popular. And once in a year, in 365 days, one day is celebrated as International Yoga Day also, where not only from India but many other countries they practice. The citizens of those countries practice yoga because they feel and they get lot of benefit doing yoga. Correct. So as per Bhagavad Gita, it is a complete science of living being. How to connect. Correct. How to connect. The example or the per se meaning of yoga is connecting with someone. Yoga means to connect. The word to word meaning of yoga is to connect with someone. Then we connect with whom? So very holistically, the ultimate purpose of yoga is to connect with Krishna. But as a stepwise, we can try to understand how and where we can connect. So yoga helps us to connect our body to our mind, mind to our soul, to goddess. It helps us to connect our intelligence by bringing wisdom. It helps us our mind to have better control, and it helps us to connect our soul. So yoga helps our body to become more disciplined. Yoga helps our mind to become more controlled. Yoga helps our intelligence by giving the necessary wisdom, and yoga helps our soul to achieve the supreme personality of Godhead or to uh, achieve Krishna or achieve the ultimate objective. So this is the purpose of yoga. Now we will try to understand what are the types of yoga. Now you can see your screen, right? Okay. You can see your screen now. So there are 8 types of yoga, limbs of yoga or parts of yoga, you can say so. So when I ask question, some students say that yama, very right. Some said exercise, very right, correct. So what are the actual 8 parts of asanas of yoga? Okay. So the part is yama, second part is niyama, third is asana, fourth is pranayama, fifth is pratyahara, sixth is dharana, seventh is dhyan, and eighth is samadhi. So there are 8 limbs. 8 limbs means what we say, like this, or finger are 5 limbs, right? So the finger comprises of 5. Okay. So we say 8 limbs of samadhi. So all 8 put together constitutes a complete yoga. So we'll try to understand one by one what this yama and yamas mean. Yamas means related to moral value, like truthfulness, non-violence, honesty. So yama signifies that we have to have a moral values uh, as an discipline to us. Then the second part is niyama. So niyama indicates personal discipline. Personal discipline, cleanliness, or we can say we should have gratitude. So these are very soft characteristics